Do you love IKEA furniture, but you hate the high cost? Now there's a solution. Introducing UKEA. It's like IKEA, but at half the cost.
Hi, Chet Baker here, interior designer. In only 420 easy steps, you too can have the furniture of your dreams.
Step 1. Buy a ticket to the Amazon rainforest. Step 2. Go to the airport and board the plane. Step 26. Once in the small Brazilian town of Maraba, there you will find a small native boy named Paco. Follow Paco into the forest. Step 27. There you will find your tree, along with your UKEA brand axe. Step 28. Cut down your tree. Step 47. Process the wood through the sawmill.
These are just some of the wonderful adventures you too will be able to go on, thanks to UKEA's philosophy of do-it-yourself.
Thanks, UKEA.